What is Tintin app? Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So Tintin is a social media app for your family and friends. Tintin turns your phone into live walkie-talkie with your best friends anywhere, anytime. So how to use it? First of all, tap on install. Now click on open. Now tap on let's go. Now enter your age. Now tap on sign in with Google. Choose your account. Now give permissions. Now tap on the plus icon to add friends. Now copy this pin and paste the pin in your another friends. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.